morning, it's Guy from Southwake SoftWash. We're in Whitehaven today. We've got two properties to clean. These are the properties from this little cul-de-sac. On here, if you look at the top bit there, very red, and that's basically the algae. What it does, it gives off this red tinge. There's a lot of algae around by the windows. This one's the last one we'll do actually. We'll start on this one next door, and what you'll be able to see is we'll do this one first and you'll be able to see the contrast between the two. So this is number 15. Wetting the walls at the moment. We normally soak the walls first. This is so that it doesn't take up too much of the chemical straight away, otherwise it will just absorb all the chemicals into the render. So this is where we're going to start on this one. this is the first round of treatment, and we've swelled it off. You can still see there's a few marks. I mean, a big improvement compared to next door that's not been treated. But what we're now going to do is put another round of treatment on, and that should thoroughly clean it off. Well, we finished this one. You can see the contrast. So we'll wander around the back, just show you how it's looking. And at the back again, you can see the contrast between next door. There's got to be another transformation.